Chapter 6. Linear inequalities in two variables. 6.1. Linear inequalities in two variables. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to represent situation in the form of linear inequalities. In Form 1 Chapter 7, you have learned about keywords that need to take note when forming linear inequalities. First one, greater. The keywords are more than, larger than, or exceed. Second one, less than. The keywords are not less than, at least, or minimum. Third one, greater than or equal to. The keywords are less than or smaller than. Last one, less than or equal to. The keywords are not more than, at most, or maximum. Let us look at example 1. Taufik wants to buy some revision books and exercise books at a book exhibition. He finds that the price of a reference book is 14 ringgit and the price of an exercise book is 9 ringgit. The maximum amount of money that Taufik can spend is 100 ringgit. Represent the above situation in an appropriate form of linear inequalities. Okay, let us use the letter X to represent the number of reference books and the letter Y to represent the number of exercise books. The amount for item 1 reference book is 14x and the amount for second item is 9y. And the word maximums here means Taufik cannot spend more than 100 ringgit. The inequality size used here is less than or equal to. Therefore, the answer is 14x plus 9y less than or equal to 100. This linear inequality can also be written as 14x less than or equal to 100 minus 9y or 9y less than or equal to 100 minus 14x. Example 2. Puan Hidayah wants to buy mathematics poster to hang in the mathematics room. The cost of a small poster is 12 ringgit 50 cents and a large poster is 18 ringgit 50 cents. Represent the purchase of both posters in an appropriate form of linear inequality if the allocation from the school is 150 ringgit. Okay, let us use the letter K to represent the number of small posters and the letter B to represent the number of larger posters. The amount of small poster is 12.5 multiply K, 12.5K, and the amount of large poster is 18.5 multiply B, we get 18.5B. Allocation from the school is 150 ringgit means that is less than or equal to 150 ringgit. The linear inequalities forms is 12.5K plus 18.5B less than or equal to 150. And we know that 12.5 can be written as 25 over 2 and 18.5 can be written as 37 over 2. If the inequality is in fractions or decimal, we have to change it to whole number. So in this case, we have to multiply both sides of the inequalities by 2 to cancel the fractional denominator. So we multiply all the terms in the linear inequalities by 2. So we get 25k plus 37b less than or equal to 300. We have learned how to represent situation in the form of linear inequalities. Now, try self-practice 6.1a on your own. Thank you.